Hi, this is Mike with Special Lite Products, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble our SPK-590 Bradford curbside mailbox post. This is a top mount mailbox post with decorative wraparound base. First, you want to secure the post about 16 inches below the surface level. After the post is secure and the concrete is set, you can add your wraparound base. To add your wraparound base, you want to use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove 4 screws on each side, 2 on each side of the base here. So go ahead and remove one here. And after the 4 are removed, you want to carefully take your 2 clamshell pieces and wrap them around your post. Line them up, and then take your 4 screws and reinsert them back into the base. There'll be 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom on opposite sides of the base. Once your 4 screws are secured into place, there's 3 set screws at the top of the base that you want to take a regular Allen wrench and just turn those and tighten it to the post. And that's it. Your post is ready to go, and now you're ready to mount your mailbox on it. So take a look at your packaging that your mailbox came in for assembly instructions on how to mount the mailbox to the top of the post. I hope this video helped you with the assembly of our SPK-590 post. If you have any other questions or want to learn more about our product selection, please visit our website at www.specialliteproducts.com. Thanks.